Facing the Allow Access to Photos option missing on apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Snapchat on your iPhone, this can stop you from sharing photos or videos from your library. It usually happens due to incorrect permissions or app settings. Here's how to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Check Photo Access Permissions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Photos. You will see a list of apps that have requested access to your photos. Locate the app, like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Snapchat. Tap on the app and make sure all photos or selected photos are enabled. If none or selected photos are chosen and the option is missing, switch it to All Photos. Solution 2. Enable Photo Access from App Settings. First, open those apps that you're having problems with. For me, I'll open my WhatsApp. Now select a random conversation. Try to send photos. This will allow your Photos apps to be able to give access to your Photos apps. After that, open the Settings app. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Now find out the apps that you're having issues with and tap on specific apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Snapchat. After selecting the app, tap Photos. Make sure All Photos is selected to allow the app full access to your library. If it's still missing, then restart the iPhone and try again. Solution 3. Reinstall the app. Press and hold the app icon on the home screen until it starts to wiggle. Tap Remove App and confirm. Go to the App Store. Find the apps and reinstall the app. Open the app, log in, and it should ask for permission to access photos again. Make sure to allow it. Solution 4. Reset Location and Privacy Settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset privacy settings for all apps. So when you open apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Snapchat again, they will prompt you to allow access to your photos. Just follow these steps and you should be able to fix the missing Allow Access to Photos option for apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Snapchat on your iPhone. If the problem isn't solved, reaching out to Apple support might help.